Articles are a crucial part of English grammar, providing specificity and context to nouns. They are small words that precede nouns to indicate whether the noun is specific or unspecific. In English, articles are divided into two categories, definite and indefinite, each serving a unique role in sentence construction. Understanding how to use articles correctly is essential for achieving clarity and precision in communication. Types of articles. Definite article. This is the only definite article in English. It refers to specific nouns that are known to the reader or listener. It can be used with singular, plural, or uncountable nouns. For example, the book on the table is mine. Refers to a specific book already known to the listener. The children are playing outside. Refers to specific children known to the listener. Indefinite articles. This article is used before words that begin with a consonant sound. It refers to a non-specific object or person within a group or category. For example, a cat could be any cat, not a specific cat, and this article is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. It serves the same function as a, but provides a smoother phonetic transition. For example, an apple refers to any apple, not a specific one. Usage of articles with singular nouns. Articles are often used with singular nouns to indicate specificity. For example, a chair, any chair, versus the chair, a specific chair, with plural and uncountable nouns that can be used with plural and uncountable nouns when referring to specific items. Example, the cookies on the table, whereas articles are generally not used when referring to things in the general sense. Example, cookies are delicious. Omission of articles. Articles are omitted in some cases, such as with proper nouns. Example, John, China, most geographical names like lake, sand, mountains, and phrases like at school or in bed. Articles play a vital role in the structure and clarity of English sentences. By effectively using the definite and indefinite articles, writers and speakers can precisely convey whether they are referring to specific or non-specific objects and entities. Mastery of articles enhances one's ability to communicate with accuracy and nuance, which is essential in both formal and informal contexts. Understanding and practicing the use of articles will significantly improve one's grammar skills, leading to more effective communication.